Hey, how's it going? This is Daniel from Jimenez Car Audio. Today at the shop we have this Toyota Tacoma back in the install bay, and today what we did to it was an updated infotainment system. Now this truck came originally a couple months back, well several months back, almost like a year ago. But basically we did the LC5i Pro, the 5-channel amp, so it's powering all the speakers plus the 10-inch Memphis that we installed a while back. Now the screen did not come with the updated screen, like meaning with the 13 or 14-inch. I don't remember what size it is exactly, but basically it came with the smaller screen. At least with this truck. Let me go on the other side. I forgot. Basically it came with the smaller screen, and the customer wanted the bigger screen. How the other Tacomas come with, like for example, like the ones with JBL. So this right here is the original screen that came out of it, and now the customer has an updated screen, so not just only is the CarPlay wireless as compared to wired to the original one, but it also looks more up to date, which is this. This is the new infotainment that's in here. We were able to keep what's the factory buttons on the steering wheel, still retain. Factory backup camera is still retained as well. That doesn't get lost. And then also the factory USB port, which is there on the side, that still get to be kept. So everything as far as original features is still get kept, but without having to sacrifice anything. And this is a great option if you want to replace the stereo. It gives you more better audio control compared to the original system, which only limits you to bass, treble, and highs. I'm sorry, bass, mid, and highs. So you're only limited to that on the factory stereo. But once you replace it, then you can go through the settings. Like this is the home menu of it. So you'll be able to adjust this, and not just only crossovers, but then also you have EQ right there, and then balance and fader, just kind of like the original stuff is. And you don't get to keep, you don't have to lose anything that's factory as far as controls. So like AC controls will also display them here as wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. So right there is the big infotainment. Now if the customer decides to have its own service and use built-in Android apps such as Netflix, YouTube, and all of those features, it's possible. The only thing is they would have to add in SIM card, so that way it's like another service that's on the infotainment by itself, and that way they'll be able to navigate without having to use CarPlay for music streaming apps or navigation wise. But there's a nice little receiver, well, big size receiver that we installed in this Tacoma. We can get it done here at Jimenez Car Audio. Our address is 503 East Central Avenue in the city of Acres. Our phone number is 910-722-0453. Let us know for your vehicle needs, or we can get something like this installed to your vehicle.